global coronavirus pandemic, which has affected almost the whole world, including our two countries. The unprecedented level of this predicament, on one hand, has a wider impact on our lives, but at the same time, it has created an extraordinary opportunity for countries to collaborate with and support each other to manage the situation. Our presence here today is the testament of human resilience and spirit of working together to handle this pandemic. Government of Pakistan is fully aware of threat presented by COVID-19 and is making best efforts to meet the national demand to deal with this emergency and magnitude that falls out emanating from it. We have come a long way under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan, since the start of the pandemic in Pakistan in March this year. National Disaster Management Authority has led the national emergency response and played a vital role in supporting Ministry of Health, Services, Regulation and Coordination in upgrading our national health system to successfully handle the additional caseload. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to inform that due to government's persistent efforts, Pakistan has significantly increased its testing capacity to almost 100,000 tests per day and upgraded its laboratories to 148 to conduct PCR tests for COVID detection. We have considerably increased our hospital bed capacity, including oxygenated beds and ventilator facilities in hospital ICU across the countries. We have established quarantine and isolation facility for COVID-19 patients. NDMA has facilitated federal and provincial governments to successfully meet the demand of medical equipment and supplies. We have also supported our industry to locally manufacture medical equipment and supplies to supplement government's effort. Also, the high-level effort of NDMA in building 252-bedded quarantine facility and infection disease in about 100 days and is about to get operational. These efforts have resulted in successfully containing the spread of COVID-19 in Pakistan, as evident from the decreasing case trend since the end of this month, end of June. I am sure the support provided by Government of USA to Pakistan through the provision of second tranche of 100 ventilators. And let me remind you that 100 ventilators have already come to Pakistan last month, and with the effort of USAID have been distributed all across the country, especially to those hospitals which were not equipped with the facility of ventilators, especially smaller hospitals in KP, Balochistan, Sindh, and part of AJK. It is not only providing these 200 ventilators worth around $3 million, but it also includes a package of training for the doctors and paramedics and will enormously be beneficial to support our ongoing effort against pandemic and especially assist us during the expected second wave, if it's there any. I once again, on behalf of Government of Pakistan, National Disaster Management Authority, I'm pleased to receive these ventilators as token of friendship from the government and people of United States of America and express my gratitude for this support. I also take this opportunity to personally thank His Excellency, U.S. Ambassador to Pakistan, Mr. Paul W. Jones, for making sure that these ventilators are here at the time of need. I would also like to convey my best wishes and thanks to Ms. Julie, head of USAID, who has been in constant touch with us and has made this support possible. Once again, from people of Pakistan, Government of Pakistan, and National Disaster Management Authority, my gratitude, thanks to people of United States, Government of USA, and also Embassy of USA in Pakistan. Thank you very much.